going to be making Avalanche slime. So I've never made this kind of slime before, but I've seen a lot of videos and it looks super duper duper cool. So I decided that my first attempt making this would be with you guys. First of all, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina, and before we get on to the video, remember to hit that red subscribe button, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. And sorry I sound so groggy, it's like early in the morning and I'm just like So first we're going to start off by making a small basic white slime. I really love fluffy slime, so I'm going to add a little bit of shaving cream. Alright, now it's time to activate the slime. If you want my activator recipe, it'll be in the description box down below. Remember to add this slowly, we do not want a stiff slime. As soon as it gets to this consistency, then we can go ahead and take it out and work it with our hands. This slime is almost ready. So now you're going to need some clear slime. I'm going to quickly show you how I made it. So I'm just going to be taking some clear glue and dumping it into the bowl. Now I'm just going to go ahead and activate with my activator. So just keep on adding the activator until it's the consistency you like. So it has been about a week and this is what the slime looks like. So now we're going to take a small Tupperware container and fill it halfway with the clear slime. So now we're going to take some food coloring of your choice and we're going to put it on top of the clear slime. So we're going to lightly smear it on top of the slime, you don't want to mix it. And I'm just going to use a spoon to even it out. So this is what it should look like when it's all done. It's super pretty. So now we're going to take the white slime we made earlier and gently place it on top of the clear slime. Then just go ahead and pop the lid on. Leave it in the container overnight. Okay guys, I am in love with this. This looks so cool. I love how all the colors just like marbled together. That looks so cool. Alright, so this is what it looks like with the colors all mixed in. It's like a dark purple color. It's really pretty. Alright guys, that was a lot of fun to make and I hope you guys try it. That is probably like one of my new favorite type of slimes. It is just so pretty, all the colors, it is just beautiful. And if you do make it, make sure the clear slime is all the way clear because it looks more cool because you can like see all the colors. Just so you guys know, I post Wednesdays and Saturdays, so if you check on those days, I should have a new video out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you like what you see here, remember to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications to get notified every time I post. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a slime Q&A hopefully for my next video. So if you have any questions slime related, leave it in the comments down below to be featured in that video. Bye! See you guys next week!